What's up, guys? This is Will, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at a sound bar. Now, this sound bar was given to me as a Christmas present, and I'm just getting around to taking a look at this device. And I'm not sure where they got it from, but I did find the exact same model. And I'll leave a link in the description for this if you want to pick it up at Walmart. So this is the ONN 37-inch Bluetooth 2.0 channel soundbar speaker. And as you can see, it's very inexpensive, $29. But we're going to take a look at it and see what it looks like. As you can see, it does include Bluetooth, 37 inches, and it's a big wide box. So I'm going to try to unbox this and see what's all included in it. I am using my LG V20 to record this. And if you hear some wind and stuff, it's very windy outside. I'm in one of my rooms in my house, and I do have the front door open. And you may be able to hear some wind from time to time. Trying to get this box open, guys. I don't think that's the way it was meant to be opening, but it's going to be open that way now. All right, so I got that one side, and hopefully the audio's not shifting too much as I move around. I'm not using an external mic, so hopefully we're good. All right, guys, so let's get into this box and see what we got here. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and just remove everything out the box and then get the box out of the way. So this was all that was in the box. All right, let's see what's included first. So you get all of your goodies here. Get your paperwork, and there's the model number. If anybody interested, you get some connectors here, as you can see. Also get an aux cord here, and you do get a little remote control. So, all right, let me get this out. Got it out of the camera view right now, guys, so hang tight. Here it comes back in the shot. So here's the speaker. And this is going to be just your power cord for the speaker right here. And this is just, it has a proprietary end on it. And let's take a look close up at the speaker here. So it looks like this can be mounted on the wall as well. Get it flipped over the right way. So here's where you can connect. See, you have an aux in, line out, and your power going in. And then here your volume up, volume down, and some power. And I'm not sure what that is, probably Bluetooth connection. And you also have some indicator lights there. Yep, very light feeling. And that's the size of it there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and hook it up. We'll come back and take a look at it after I have it plugged in. Guys, we're back in. I have it hooked up as a Bluetooth device to my Note 9. As you can see, this is where you plug it in, hook it up right here. This is the number that you get. Very simple. All you do is hold down on this Bluetooth button here, and when it starts flashing, you just connect through your Bluetooth right here. So we're going to take a listen at it and see what it sounds like. I got one of my videos pulled up here, YouTube videos, so let's check it out. So with the remote for the soundbar, I have this all the way up, but I'm going to use the volume on my phone to crank it up. So listen at it. All right, so I use the remote control to lower it, and it sounds good. It has some good bass. Just sounds good overall as a Bluetooth speaker. Gonna crank it up one more time, guys. All right, got the volume coming up, guys. Okay, so I paused the video, guys. Next, I'm gonna hook it up to the TV and get some video. See how it sounds with video from your TV that's not music based. So stand by, guys. Okay, guys. So here it is with a video that's not playing music, just normal voice. And let's take a look at it and see what it sounds like this. I'm gonna go ahead and crank it up. This is one of my videos. Let's listen at it and see. I like red. Red is one of my favorite colors. So here are some of the specs right here. So this is shipping with 8.0 Oreo out the box. This has a Helio. That's about cranked up all the way. P25 octa-core processor, 5.7-inch HD 1440 by 720 display. It has, let's get these stickers off. It's got 2 speakers. All right, guys, so I'm bringing the volume back down. Overall, it's not a bad sound bar for 29 bucks. You got pretty good speakers on your TV already, then this can add to it. This, I especially like this for playing music. Has a better sound to it with music. But if you got a TV that doesn't have pretty good speakers on it, I would add this, and it will enhance your sound quality. So overall, not bad. I do recommend it for $29. Plays great through Bluetooth. Now I do have it hooked up with the aux card and the line in cards. So you have an option, like I said earlier. But sounds good, guys. The link will be in the description. Will H, and I'm out.